Hey, check this out. This is a water morning glory, ipomoea aquatica, or Kangkong. I planted these a long time ago in a video. I did a tutorial on how to grow this stuff. It's super easy. You don't really need a tutorial. You can literally put seeds in waterlogged soil and this stuff pops up. This is a aquatic / semi-aquatic plant, so it'll pretty much grow anywhere that stays wet. And I've even let it dry out just to see if it would die. And I mean, it wilts a little bit, but it just perks right back up. It likes to have some pretty damp soil. And as you can see, it has morning glory shaped flowers, and they're perfectly white, really pretty flowers. It almost looks fake, like it looks like silk. And once again, if you want to do this, you literally just need some seeds, Kangkong seeds, put them in some soil in a solo cup and stick them in the window, and they just go nuts. And I have it in a south-facing window, so it gets a little bit warmer, which makes them grow faster. Anyway, thanks for watching.